Dow Jones and Nasdaq almost trading flat throughout the day. On the downside, both have got the support there at 33,500 and 14,500 respectively. So now what to expect with the US session, which position you should take in order to profit trading Dow Jones and Nasdaq, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. Also, you can get the live updates by joining our free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, we look into Tech 100 followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end. Now look at Tech 100 on the hourly charts. Pretty much trading in the box. 14,500, 14,600 levels. It has not yet given up any of these levels. And if you look at, see, it has given a bullish move but again trying to retrace. Certainly support there till 14,500 is very strong. And any of you, if you want to sell, see 14,500, 14,480, if these two levels are taken, then you can say that 14,450, 400 levels will be achieved there. Till the time, do not consider this as bearish. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought. MACD is also willing to cross over. Now see, MACD is one thing which is willing to cross over for a bullish move. Hence one has to be watchful there. RSI almost flat, and on the 2-hour charts, one interesting point is, see, it has converged here and then this breakout. Now possibly this bullish move might continue staying above 14,600. It can show you rise, but 14,660 is the level it needs to break past by, because beyond 14,660 it is directly going to land at 14,800 levels, if not today. Whenever it does, certainly it is going to stay more bullish above 14,660 level. Also, you should look at, see, this candle is almost started flat, and see, this is the zone it is trying to trade, and hence till 14,500 do not sell. Below 14,500 also it needs to stay below 14,480 levels, below which you can just stay short for 14,450, 400 levels. Else it should not be treated as bearish till then. Direction movement crossing over for a buy. Stochastic is rising. MACD also trying to converge crossover for a buy. It is not yet crossed over. Remember, it is still on the bearish side. RSI almost flat, and similar is the observation on the 3-hour charts. Yes, it has given a slight breakout with this candle, and also if you look at 14,580, a good resistance, and it has tried to break past this resistance. Now I'll wait for it to stay above 14,600. Beyond that, little more bullishness can be expected. Also, if you look at it, is just trading in this box, and for this 100 points at least one has to remain cautious and alert. Directional movement bullish, stochastic looking up. MACD trying to converge crossover for a buy. RSI flat, and similar is the observation on the 4-hour charts as well. On the 4-hour charts, you can see the previous candle had a tail and a smaller body. The same can appear here, and hence 14,500, 600 zone at least one has to watch cautiously. Directional movement bullish, stochastic flat. MACD is also bearish here, trying to converge at the same time. RSI is also trading near to the top, however trading with slight bullish slope. Now look at the daily chart. See, first of all, the previous candle opened in green, closed in green. That is the first part. Second, lower highs, almost flat bottom were seen, and this time it has tried to trade bullish here. Now it is looking upwards, and it is breached the resistance on the upside, and hence now once it stays above 14,600, maybe we can see 14,660, and if it stays above 14,660, then only further confirmation of the rise can be seen. Then you can expect 14,700, and in fact my 14,720, and then my favorite 14,800 will get achieved. Right now it is taking the shape. It is not yet decided, remember this fact. Now see, extremely bullish, divergent. It is not yet showing the signs of convergence, though it is trading consistently overbought. See, on the daily charts, it has tried to drop, the stochastic has tried to drop a little, however trading overbought. The MACD is at the extremes. It is trying to converge crossover, not yet crossed over, not yet showing signs of a reversal. RSI is consistently trading overbought too. Hence, and also appears the bulls are exhausted, and hence the position here, if you are taking for a buy, one has to remain extra cautious, as the pullback is also going to be equally strong. Hence, you can buy at 600, but then be cautious, alert, put a 20 points trailing stop loss. That's it. Beyond that, 14,660 and 720 are the targets, and beyond that 14,800 levels, and then 15,000 in the month of June is certain. One has to watch it carefully. On the downside, you can sell here at 14,500, but then 14,450 and 14,400 are the next targets, and 14,480 also you should watch out for. Below that, 14,480 450 and 400 are the next targets. Below 14,400 only further bearishness may prevail, else it is not to be considered bearish till then. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. And before, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 22nd batch, 23rd batch starts on 1st of July. Register yourself now itself. We only take limited entries and hence it is purely on the first come first serve basis. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel. Trading as per the signals, definitely you can benefit. Now, look at US30 on the RD chart, 33,600, very good resistance. And you can also see higher lows are being shown here. Now higher lows, flat top till 33,660. One has to observe more for Dow Jones. Only beyond 33,660 we can expect that there could be little more rise. Also breaking beyond 33,600, it has shown a bullish intent. Let it stay above 33,600 and possibly you can try to initiate a buy. At the same time, a sell entry is only below 33,500 levels, where you can expect a very good draw for 400 levels. 33,400 is indeed a very good support for now. Directional movement bearish, trying to cross over for a buy. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI flat, and on the 2-hour charts also similar is the observation here. Also you can see this is the second green candle getting the resistance from the top of the bands. Possibly if you are taking a buy at 33,600 also, see this is converged enough here, and possibly if it takes a rise, you can expect a very good rise, because see it is consolidated, and if it breaks out, certainly more bullish momentum, and then double top for 33,800 levels cannot be denied. Directional movement crossing over for a buy, stochastic rising, MACD also looking forward to converge crossover for a buy. It is not yet crossed over. RSI flat, and on the 3-hour chart, similar is the observation. Resistance there is very strong at around 33,600 levels, hence above which a little more rise, but 33,660 you should watch out for. Beyond that, just stay long. We are going to look at 700, 800 levels. Directional movement crossing over for buy, stochastic flat near to the top, MACD trying to converge crossover. It is not yet crossed over. RSI almost flat, and on the 4-hour charts also, see it is dropped here. It is consolidated. It is looking forward to reverse, possibly looking forward to double top. Hence, just be aware here. You have to enter at 33,600. You can buy here at, but then be cautious till 33,660, 700, and then 800 levels. Directional movement bullish, stochastic flat, MACD divergent and bearish, and it is looking forward to hit the bottom here. Let's see if it does. And if you look at RSI, this is also trading flat. And now on the daily charts, now remember on the daily charts, it can still show you swings here, 33,640, 660. So if you're taking a buy at 33,600, remember you have to put a 20 points trailing stop loss till 33,660 levels. Very good resistance here. Achieving those levels, it can show you pull back here and close in red. Possibility just for this higher lows, and then show you pull back higher highs till towards 33,450 levels, and hence till 33,660 it can show you pullback. Remember this fact. Direction movement crossing over for a bearish move, stochastic dropping, MACD is still divergent and bullish, RSI flat. Considering you can buy here at 33,600, but wait for it to break past 33,660 till 33,660. Just put a trailing stop loss with the 20 points. Only and only if it stays above 33,660, you can expect a little more rise for 700 and 800 level, if not today, possibly by tomorrow. Else, achieving 660, it can again try to show you a drop, and then can show you a pullback till towards 33,450 levels on the downside. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signal channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.